Good morning, my good friends. So the good news is that monthly benefits will be increasing even more for millions of low and middle income households across the United States. $500 stimulus payments have officially been approved and will begin being automatically deposited into eligible Americans' bank accounts very soon. So my friends, please stay tuned until the end of this video to learn if you are eligible to receive an extra boost of $500. Also, be sure to share this video on social media and with your friends and family if they need more honest stimulus news.
The decision today is not without cost here at home. Putin's war is already hurting American families at the gas pump. Since Putin began his military buildup on Ukrainian borders, just since then, the price of the gas at the pump in America went up 75 cents. And with this action, it's going to go up further. I'm going to do everything I can to minimize Putin's price hike here at home. In coordination with our partners, we've already announced that we're releasing 60 million barrels of oil from our joint oil reserves. Half of that, 30 million, is coming from the United States. And we're taking steps to ensure the reliable supply of global energy. We're also going to keep working with every tool at our disposal to protect American families and businesses. Now, let me say this. To the oil and gas companies and to the finance firms that back them, we understand Putin's war against the people of Ukraine is causing prices to rise. We get that. That's self-evident. But, it's no excuse to exercise excessive price increases.
So as this crisis is still ongoing, friends, the great news is that millions of Americans remain on track to receive more money this year. Residents in the state of Maryland are eligible to receive stimulus payments under the state's Relief Act, but thousands of Americans still have not claimed their cash. Under this measure, qualifying families are entitled to receive $500 checks, while individuals can claim $300 payments. A total of 422,531 Maryland residents are eligible to receive the extra state payments. The state of Maryland sent the funds via direct deposit for all eligible residents if they had a routing number on file, and for those who did not, the payments were then sent to whatever address that the state had on file. For those still waiting on a payment, you have been urged to contact the state to update your address. Friends, there are some more great news for those of you that reside in the state of New Mexico. Surprise new child tax credit payments are on the way to eligible families who also need additional help. New legislation passed in New Mexico last month will see bonus checks worth up to $175 per child sent to eligible families. This bill, which will provide a total of $380 million in tax relief, includes a child tax credit boost. The tax credit depends on income level. However, it has not yet been very clear who exactly will qualify. Meanwhile, the Internal Revenue Service has said that taxpayers who request a direct deposit on their returns for this year should receive your cash within 3 weeks or less. The amount of advance of the child tax credit payments that you received during 2021 is based on the IRS's estimate of the child tax credit amount that you are allowed for the 2021 tax year. Any updated information that you provide to the IRS in 2021, including any changes to the number of qualifying children, changes in your income, and changes in your filing status. The law requires the estimate to be based on two primary sources of information. The first is your 2020 tax return. If that return is not available, the IRS will refer to your 2019 tax return. Secondly, any updated information that you provide to the IRS in 2021, including any changes to the number of qualifying children, changes in your income, and changes in your filing status. That is why you may receive a total amount of advance payments, which may be more than the amount of child tax credits that you expected. According to a Center on Budget Priorities, 59% of families use the child tax credit payments to help put food on the table. 52% of parents used it to pay for utilities, and 45% used it to help pay the mortgage. So my friends, What are your thoughts on these extra relief checks? Do you think that everyone should receive a check from their state? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is pineapple. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please, also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. There is a growing list of essential things for taxpayers to know as the IRS embarks on a challenging season. There's a growing list of essential things for taxpayers to know as the IRS embarks on a challenging season with limited staffing and a backlog from 2021 that is still millions of returns deep. There were 6 million unprocessed individual returns as of December 31st, 2021. And according to the IRS, those with notices or stalled refunds are still struggling to reach the agency by phone. That is why it is important to avoid mistakes on your 2021 return. Here is what to know before filing this tax season. Given that backlog of millions of returns, the IRS continues to emphasize the importance of electronic filing this tax season. However, you may receive your refund within 21 days by filing an online return with direct deposit for payment, assuming that there are no issues. While error-free tax returns are critical this season, the IRS has already warned about 2 problem areas: the advanced child tax credits and stimulus payments. In a statement, IRS Commissioner Chuck Redding said, "We urge extra attention to those who received an economic impact payment or an advanced child tax credit last year. People should make sure they report the correct amount on their tax return to avoid any delays." The Internal Revenue Service issued 7.4 million math error notices for stimulus payment errors from January 1st through July 15, 2021, delaying these refunds. And many filers are still waiting for a resolution. So my friends, please make sure that your information is correct to receive your tax refund in a timely manner. Well, my great friends, that is the end of this daily stimulus update video. Thank you for everyone who's watching daily. I greatly appreciate all of you. Please, my friends, share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you so much and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.